We in People with E are proud to present the Digital Leadership Development Program. The program is module-based with 10 modules focusing on leadership that creates ease, engagement, enthusiasm and energy, and through that results. The program has many small video lectures. When you look at this picture, what do you think can be good as a metaphor for leadership? Exercises and questions for reflection, links and references to further reading, quizzes to enhance learning, downloadable leadership tools, interactive activities to make it more entertaining. The program is made by professional leadership consultants and professor in leadership Rune By.
Å sette rammer har å gjøre med å forstå det arbeidet vi gjør.
It has a modern digital design and look and can be accessed from any platform and device. It can be run as a digital program only or combined with video conferences and workshops. Reach out if you want to learn more.